From last 2 days I was sitting on mind maps and I am showing the mind maps. How the mind maps will be there? Those who have minimum knowledge, you can understand how to remember. For all the topics, if you do like this, Franz Boas. We have Franz Boas. Franz Boas advocated field work. How you have to make your revision notes. Discussed endangered, LG means language. Discussed about endangered languages. Protect Indian languages means tribal languages in America. Documenting, how to protect, he told documenting, we have to document them. Historical connection, historical particularism, he told every culture is because of history. Environmental conditions and psychological aspects. But red mark means what? History is to be emphasized more. And he told against comparatism, means comparison should not be there. Every culture is unique in their own context. So one culture should not be compared with another culture. And his students are famous anthropologists like R.C. Brown, Malnovisky, Margaret Mead, very, very famous are his. He also told we should not compare with another culture, which he called it as culture relativism. So main points we have to note down. For example, we will go this side. If you see here, this is classical evolutionism. Means how to prepare also I want to tell you, that is the reason. Classical evolutionism. Classical evolutionism main means main crux. What is the main crux? Evolution is stage by stage but not spontaneous. What he told, what is the stage by stage? Savagery, barbarism and civilization. Everywhere same. Everywhere the cultures are same. Why? By psychic unity of mankind. So he want to tell that everywhere their cultures are same, which is called as psychic unity of mankind. Process is same and culture is same. As the process is same, cultural response is same, so culture is same. So everywhere the responses are same because the needs are same, hence the cultures are same, which is named as culture parallels. Culture exists without net benefit. Culture will exist without any net benefit. I don't have any benefit, but still I am following culture. Like what? Sacred thread, which he named it as what? Culture survival. Racial superiority is a psychological myth. Advocated what? Comparative methods. Oh, this is the main crux of classical evolutionism. Then one by one. Who are one by one? E.B. Taylor. What E.B. Taylor told? He told first stage of religion is classical evolutionism, first main, then E.B. Taylor. What E.B. Taylor told? Oh, first stage of religion, animism. Second, what he told is famous book, Primitive Culture. In that, what he told, culture definition. Then what he discussed evolution. In which book? Ancient Society book. This is about E.B. Taylor. The next is Henry Morgan. What Henry Morgan told? Discussed evolution. In which book? Ancient Society. One table is there. Derived social evolution. Famous for kinship terminology. How many kinship terminologies he told? Descriptive kinship terminology and classificatory kinship terminology. He is famous for what? Questionnaire. Famous book is System of Consanguinity and Affinity. James Fraser. Evolution of magic, religion, science. And he told that magic is because of law of similarity and law of contact. And his famous book is what? Golden Bough. His students are what? R.C. Brown and Malnovisky. Similarly, criticism is also there for every school. Means what? If we make such type of mind maps, you don't need to worry much. Whenever you are free, just go through the mind maps. Law of contact. Yes, law of contact. What we see in a lot of movies, law of contact. Hero's wife, we want to do black magic. So she will be sitting in the car, she will put the door, the chunni will be from the door, someone will come and cut the chunni and he will give it to the magician. Then magician, what he will do? He will go to the graveyard, night 12 o'clock, lemons will be there and he will be putting. I know sir, I saw this movie. Law of contact, law of similarity. A small girl will be playing in the jula. Small doll like thing we will make and we will do something to the doll and the girl will fall down. Law of similarity. So, if you remember this word, you can understand how to write an answer. The problem what will happen in the examination hall, we will forget this main contribution. So, if you remember this main contribution, you can write complete story. For example, some movies names will be there. Sometimes we forget. How much our favorite, sometimes we forget the movie name. When I tell the movie name, you will tell complete story. Yes or no? So, similarly, we have to remember. We have to make, understanding is also important. At the same time, remembering, both should go hand in hand. For the sake of remembering, we have to use such type of mind maps. Classical evolutionism, complete school. So, if you plan like this, it might be for any subject, mainly for optionals. For ethics also, honesty, this example. Fortitude, this example. Accountability, this example. Transparency, this example. So, sir, any question on honesty, I will write this example. Any question on accountability, I will write this example. Any question on transparency, I will write this example. How much easy it will become? What will happen in the final examination hall? We will forget. Everyone will forget. I will also forget. So, how we can remember? Such type of things we have to make. Weekly once we have to rotate. We should not read. We have to rotate. We have to see, okay, classical evolutionism. Yes, next. Only 5 minutes. 1 hour per month. If you do 1 hour anthropological thought per week or per month, you will remember 12 months. You will write properly your mains exam. You will not forget 1 point also. In this way, the preparation should happen.